So a really great way to improve your system performance of your computer is, regardless whether you're on a desktop or even a laptop, is to just simply increase your virtual memory. And this will apply equally well to desktops as well as laptops. So regardless whether you're using a traditional mechanical hard drive or even an SSD, this will help you out, but this will be especially beneficial if you are using an SSD. So let's right click on the start menu and let's go to run. And then here we're going to type in sysdm.cpl. Now when this window opens up, go to the advanced tab, and under performance, we're going to settings and advanced tab again. And then where it says virtual memory on the bottom is the section that we're trying to get to. So uncheck this checkbox and select custom size. So the initial size should be 1.5 times the amount of physical memory in your system. So in my case, I'm using 8 gigabytes of RAM. So this is the value that's going to apply for me. And then for the maximum size, it should be the physical amount of memory in your system times 3. So in this case, this is my value. Paste that there, and then click set. So for these settings to get applied, you're going to need to restart your computer. And when it comes back, let's take a look and then verify that everything got applied. So now we're back in the operating system. Let's go back to the same section where we changed those values and verify that everything is being applied correctly. Advanced, and right off the bat, you can see currently allocated is the initial size that we set. So we should be good to go. This should help out a little bit with improving your system performance. And if you found any value in this video, do me a favor, leave a like. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I have these videos improving your system performance coming out periodically, and you can stay up to date. You don't want to miss out on the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.